Hello and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today we'll learn how to create, modify, and delete an environment, and also how to manage access permissions when the environment is not public. Environments are key to organizing your processes, and I'll show you step by step how to configure them. Let's get started. The first thing we do is log into AUTOMY and go to the main menu. From there, we select the Settings option. Inside Settings, we go to the User Management section and click on Environments. Here we'll see the list of all existing environments on the platform. To create a new environment, we click on the Add button. This will open a form where we configure the following fields. Type, where we can identify whether the environment is for development, testing, or production. Name, enter the name of the environment, for example, finance or special projects. Description, specify the purpose of the environment, such as budget management. Default toggle, if we activate this option, AUTOMY will set this environment as the default for users when they log in. Public toggle, if you turn this on, all users will have access to the environment. If you leave it off, only users you manually select will have access. Enabled toggle, turn this on if you want the environment to be available as soon as you create it. When we complete all the fields, we click Add, and that's it. The environment will appear in the list. If the environment you created is not public, you'll notice a padlock icon next to it. This is the Permissions button. Click on the padlock to manage who has access to the environment. AUTOMY allows us to add users in several ways. By user, you can search for and select individual users by name. By position, select a position, and automatically all users with that position will have access to the environment. By area, add permissions for an entire area, allowing all users in that area to access it. By user groups, if you have predefined groups in AUTOMY, you can grant access to all users in the selected group. Once you've added the necessary permissions, click Save and Done. Only the selected users will have access to the environment. The rest won't even know it exists. If you need to change any information about the environment, find it in the list and click the Edit icon. From there you can adjust the name, description, or the toggles for default, public, and enabled. Click Edit to save the changes. To delete an environment, it's important to note that there must be no created processes or generated requests in that environment. If there are, AUTOMY won't allow you to delete it. In that case, you can only disable it, leaving the environment inactive but keeping the existing data. If the environment meets the conditions to be deleted, click the Delete icon. Confirm the action, and the environment will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to create, modify, delete, and manage permissions in environments within AUTOMY. This feature will help you keep your platform well organized and secure. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.